Hello crafties, welcome to another video. First and foremost, this is a pre-recording, so it's actually like Friday the 8th. I'm going on a trip tomorrow. It's going to be a day trip, so I wanted to go ahead and get some content turned out. I know last week I didn't post anything for the Artsy Saturday. I didn't want to leave you guys high and dry another week. That would be terrible of me. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and kind of get pouring. I'm stirring up my paint here. Today is going to be like a primary color based pour. Well, it is a primary paint based pour. So I'm also going to use white for a little, I don't know, contrast. Some of my paints have silicone oil in them, some of them don't. The world may never know which one is which. So just going to go ahead and start off with a little bit of white. Make sure that's spreading. It's going to be a clean pour today because we're doing dirty pours, I think. Well, the last pour I did, I think, was a dirty pour. I don't even remember what my last pour was. That's the bad part. So I'm going to do more of these pours. I know they're super simple and super fun, and you guys seem to like them a bit more. So I'm going to try to do that for you guys. And there's the red and white. I'm going to get a little bit of that yellow. The silicone's already reacting. You can see the little bubbles. Oh, there's some cells coming up. Alright. Now I'm just going to tilt. I'm going to get a little bit of back canvas as I swirl towards the edges. Towards this side, and then come back, and almost looks like the old Pepsi logo. Oh my gosh. When you guys get done seeing the back canvas, I'll flip it around and show you. It almost looks like the old Pepsi logo. Anyway, enough of being amused by my own paint. I'm gonna pour some more white over here. Why not? And just bring a little bit over here. Okay, and so I did red, yellow, blue. So now I'm gonna do blue. Just swinging it through there, and then I'm gonna drop that. And I'm gonna go back to having yellow. And bringing that through. At least this time I have enough paint. Fingers crossed. And then I'm going to come through with the red. Make sure I'm getting that corner there. And swooshing it on through. Alright. Now I can start tilting again. Maybe next time I'll try to do some fun stuff with like tree rings again. It's been a while since I've done that too. And I love tree rings. I don't know, I just haven't done it. I've been trying to expand, I suppose, my artistic horizons lately. Alright. This is actually really pretty and simple. If you guys remember a while back, like over the summer, I was doing a lot with the primary palette because it's simplistic and it was really inspiring me. A lot of my pieces that I presented this past portfolio day, which was great. Gonna come over here with some yellow. Kind of using the last of that there. I think the yellow had some silicone in it. So I'm watching these cells develop. Yay, empty. I always have leftover white. I know a friend of mine wanted me to do a neon pour. I have to get that color combination from them. So hopefully that'll be coming up in the next week or two. Well, not next week, but probably the week after next, because next week I have to figure out what colors I want to do for my birthday pour. So that's going to be fun. I'm also going to be out that day too, so this month is so busy. I'm going to enjoy the end of the semester with rigor. Okay. I'm just going to kind of, I don't know, I don't want to swipe too much because I'm really liking the natural flow of the paint. But when I swipe it, I get some really beautiful cells that develop. So maybe around the edges, I'll just go ahead and sacrifice that. I really, really, really like these pure white cells that have developed across the top. There's a lot of blue in here, so, but artistic choices. I think it looks fine. Let me know down in the description what you guys think of this one. I'm going to leave it alone because I feel like if I swipe it, if I mess with it, I'm going to be angry with myself later. Oh no, I swiped it at the bottom. I lied. Okay, I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop. I'm going to drop the stick. I'm going to stop. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. I know I cannot talk tonight. I'm sorry. Go ahead, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the awesome weekly content that I upload every week. Let's see, I am on a lot of different social media, which you can check out in my description box below. If you also want to see like a certain color combination, feel free to comment or submit a form in the little link down in the description. Either way, I will try to get to them to the best of my ability. And until next time, happy making, happy arting, I guess. Bye.